To borrow a phrase, show us the money. There is none, and nobody will fall for Labour's rail con. Why should Labour be rewarded for failure in this forthcoming election?
Well, we're very proud of the work we've done during this Senate term when it comes to homelessness. The fact that we've been able to pass an act is absolutely crucial. And we are very proud also that we've done the background work when it comes to mental health same-day care.
The First Minister's plans don't add up. Within hours of guaranteeing same-day mental health access, the promise fell apart. She couldn't explain what same-day support actually looks like. She also wrongly claimed that her mental health strategy explains how to increase the workforce. It does nothing of the sort. Then she promised £4 billion towards new hospitals without offering any detail at all about how they would be paid for, just like those empty promises on rail a couple of weeks ago. And on that, to borrow a phrase, show us the money. There is none, and nobody will fall for Labour's rail con.